Let's talk about the part 4, speaking of the Cambridge First. The total time for this part is 4 minutes. It's a discussion exercise. Where the examiner asks the question. What happens in this part is that the examiner also asks the second candidate to respond to what the first candidate has said. Let's take a look at a sample question here. You can see that the theme in part 4 is the same as in part 3, where we're talking about health and fitness. And here's a second question. And then they can ask the second student about their opinion and if they agree with the first student. So how can you do it? Let's look at some sample answers. These two answers are very different. The first answer is very short. It's fine, it is okay, but the problem is that it is a little bit short. If we look at our second example, this is a much better example of a complete answer. It's also important to recognize your partner's ideas and to respond to them. And you need to make sure that you justify any opinions you have.